Yeah, y'all want to see something really fucking scary, bro? This was my tent. It looks like it got hit by a fucking tornado, bro. Inside because of the whole tent just impacting on itself from the weight of the snow. That was my girl's cat bed right there. Imagine if I didn't get the motel for the snowstorm and stuff. This could have been me and my girls in this motherfucker, bro. I just came back to my campsite to grab a couple things. I had some food and some other supplies and stuff. And it looks like it's so crazy. It looks like the tent isn't even big, but that's just how much snow came down out here. It's safe to say, um, my campsite is destroyed. So I gotta figure something else out for me and my girls. But yo, this is fucking crazy, dog. This could have been us in here. You know what I mean, I was like, this shit's fucking crazy. I don't even have the words for this shit, bro.